Hey guys, how's it going? This is a 2-look OLL and 2-look PLL tutorial. This will be an intermediate step between you doing the beginner's method and full Friedrich. So once you've got the first two layers done, you'll be making the top cross like you normally do in the beginner's method, but then you'll be doing some algorithms to orient the last layer and get all yellow or whatever your top color would be on top, and then you'll be doing PLL, which is permute the last layer, and you'll just be moving the corners around and the edges around, keeping their top color up here, and then you'll fully solve the cube. At first you'll be a little bit slower, but just keep practicing, get the algorithms down. I have them in muscle memory, so I just see the case and I do it real fast, and then that's pretty much how all algorithms should be. But don't just look at your paper and go, okay, right, left, down a bit. Don't do all that. Just do the algorithm over and over again, and eventually you'll get it. And so here we go. Okay, this is the first case. It is called Soon. It's easily recognizable as this shape, the 2x2 block, and then these two, or as I like to call it, the fish. I don't know why, it's just, kind of looks like one of those fish you would draw. And then, so you look at it this way, and then so when you look down, yellow will be right here, or whatever color you use, on the right. So you look at it, you see the shape, you look down, there it is. And the algorithm for this is R U R prime U R U to R prime. There you go. This is pretty much just the edge switching algorithm that you would use in the beginner's method. Very easy. You should already know it, so it shouldn't be any trouble to you. Here we have the anti-soon. You can see the same shape, but when you look down, yellow is over here. So you just flip the cube around. Wait, sorry. You look at it, you look down, nothing there. Flip the cube around, and there it is. So just pretty much the inverse, obviously. The algorithm for this is R U to R prime U prime R U prime R prime. There's another very quick algorithm. Simple. Okay, here we have the double soon. If you look at the top, you'll see that you have the cross, no corners have any colors, and then when you look down, you'll have two yellows here, or headlights, and then when you flip it around, you have two yellows here again, or whatever your top color is. So it can be performed from any angle, as long as these are your front two. And it's F R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime F prime. Another really quick algorithm. It's actually my favorite because it's so simple, and if you want to think of it as it's pretty much the algorithm to get the cross 3 times, and then with the F and a F prime at the beginning and end. Okay, here we have what is called Bruno. Once again, just the cross, and when you look down, there's just one, but you'll have headlights here, yellow here, and if you turn around, yellow there. So you want to perform this algorithm with the headlights facing to your left, top color here. Algorithm for this is R U2 R2 U prime R2 U prime R2 U2 R. And then, very lovely. Okay, here, this one doesn't have a name. Well, it does, but I just don't know the name of it. You can recognize it as having 2 full rows, and then just the part of the cross here. But when you look down, you'll have yellow here, and when you turn it around, yellow there. So this algorithm is little l prime u prime l u r u prime l prime u, and then you'll just turn the cube back to its original position and continue solving. Okay, here is what you call diagonals. It could be recognized as having 2x2 block here and 2x2 block here, or the interconnected, whatever, or however really you want to recognize it. You'll have the top color here and the top color here. You want to perform it right here. So when you're looking, at the front face, it's in the left, not in the right. And this algorithm, very similar to the unnamed one, is L prime U R D prime R prime U prime R D, and that will return it, or you return the cube back to its shape just like the unknown one, and there you go. Okay, this next case is called Superman. You have the same shape as Bruno, or excuse me, as unknown, but instead of having yellow here and yellow here, you'll have the headlights. So you want to perform this algorithm looking at the headlights, and you'll perform this algorithm: R2 D R prime U2 R D prime R prime U2 R prime. And that's it for OLL. Okay, this is the PLL part. I'll be showing you the corners first and then the edges last. So now that you permuted or oriented the top layer, we'll be permuting them. So starting with corners, we have the clockwise circle, or the clockwise cycle. So when you have a corner matched up here, you will have headlights in the back. So that's what you want to do when doing PLL, is look for the matched up corner. If it's not there, or if it's too matched up, just turn it again and you'll have it matched up. So got it matched up, headlights are in the back. This is the clockwise circle or cycle, and you want to do this algorithm: little l prime u r prime d2 r u prime r prime d2 r2, and then there you go. Okay, this is the counterclockwise cycle. You have the matched up corner here and the headlights here, not here. So from here you will do X, or just turn the cube down, R2 D2 R U R prime D2 R U prime R X prime, or just flip the cube back to its original position, and there you go. Okay, here this is the odd one out. You'll have the matched corner here, but you won't have headlights, as you can see, but the corner opposite of it is matched up as well. So hold it, match corner here, so the matched one's here and here, and what you'll do is do an X, U, R prime, U prime, L, U, R, U prime, 2 little r, u prime, r, u, l, u prime, r prime, u. And then you would flip the cube back to its where the top colors appear, and adjust it as appropriate. Okay, guys. Here, or now that we're doing edges, the first one here is the clockwise cycle. You will have a solid color on one side, and that will be your back face. So just go ahead and wherever you see it, put it in the back. And then to identify whether it's clockwise or counterclockwise, very simple. You just look at either two sides. So you see orange. You see orange and blue. Well, blue belongs over here. So you think, okay, it's going this way. So when you look at the top of the cube, blue's here. If it needs to go this way, that's a clockwise circle. So, or just remember however you want. If blue needs to go to the left, okay, so clockwise, and then such. So you perform it with this in the back, and the algorithm for this is R2 U R U R, or excuse me, R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R prime. So here we have, the counterclockwise circle, just the same. Red needs to go here, so you think, okay, counterclockwise. Solid color in the back again. This algorithm is R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. Okay, here is when you don't have a solid color matching, and so you see that blue is on the green side, green is on the blue side, and same for these. So they need to be switched across. This is called the H pair. I do it with the middle slices where you do that. I do not know the 2-gen version, which is that. So I can't show you that, but I do know it for the Z perm, which is the last one, and the next one. So you pretty much just perform it from any direction because they only need to be switched across. So these need to be switched across, these need to be switched. So example, just do it from any angle. So it's M2 U, M2 U2, M2 U, M2, and then there you go. Yeah, it's pretty fast. Or you can do the M slices with your finger here. It's just as fast, maybe faster if you can get it used to it. So there you go. Okay, here's the Z perm. So once again, all the corners matched like they should be. It'll look like the H perm at first, but you'll notice these two colors need to be switched. So red is here on the green side, green is here on the red side, so they need to be switched this way, and same for these two, so they need to be switched like this. So you want to hold it to where whichever pair needs to be switched this way, so they're going to be switched this way and this way, not this way and this way, because then you'll just get the H perm pretty much, and then pretty much defeats the whole purpose of this algorithm. So first I'll show you the slices move, because that's what I do. So it's M2 U, M2 U, M prime U2, M2 U2, M prime U2, or whatever fixes it. So now that we got it back, here's the 2-gen version. U, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U, R, U, R2, U prime, R prime, U. With speed, you can probably do this just as fast as the slice moves. I don't know it because it's too long, and I already knew the H prime like with the slices, so it's just a tad bit of a variation of that. So that concludes the 2-look OLL and 2-look PLL tutorial. Thanks, subscribe, comment, whatever, please. I will be doing more tutorials. If you're interested, just message me and I'll make another video.